Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will teach you about frequency polygon. These are the questions for the frequency polygon. There are 3 steps if you want to do the question. The first step, you have to find the midpoint. The second step, you have to construct the table for frequency and midpoint. And the last step, you have to plot the graph. In this graph, for frequency polygon, the x-axis is for midpoint and y-axis is for frequency. For the first step, you have to find the midpoint. To find midpoint, the formula is lower limit plus higher limit divided by 2. For the first one, the range is 11 to 20. So, the midpoint is 11 plus 20 divided by 2. That is 15.5. Next one is 21 to 30. The midpoint is 25.5. Third one, 31 until 40. The midpoint for this is 35.5. For the fourth one, the range is 41 until 50. The midpoint for this is 45.5. The fifth one, the range is 51 until 60. The midpoint is 55.5. And the last one, the range is 61 until 70. The midpoint for this is 65.5. The second step is constructing the table. For frequency polygon, you must remember that the graph start from 0 and it will end to 0. So, you must add 2 more rows for this table. You can refer the frequency to the question given, and the midpoint will be taken from the first step that we have done. We have reached the last step for frequency polygon, that is plot the graph. So, we can refer the table from the step 2 to plot the graph. As I said earlier, the x-axis will be midpoint and the y-axis will be frequency. You can see from this graph, the x-axis is the midpoint and the y-axis is the frequency. So, you can plot the graph by mark at the frequency of this table. To plot the graph, you must use a ruler . As I have said earlier, frequency polygon must be start from 0 and it will end at the 0. And don't forget the title for this graph, that is length of the telephone calls. That's all from us. I hope this will help you to solve your question. Thank you.